Hello, thank you for choosing the Majesty massage chair. This video will walk you through how to operate your remote control. We want you to fully enjoy your massage experience and relax like royalty. Let's get accommodated with the layout of the remote control. In the center of the remote is where you'll find the directional arrows. The center circle, OK button allows you to make selections, while the up, down, right, left buttons allow you to move through the remote interface. The power button turns on and off the massage chair. The menu button will take you to the main menu of the Majesty. Pressing the menu button will also take you back to the previous screen. The auto button is a shortcut to open the menu for the automatic programs. The manual button also opens the menu for the manual programs. The up-down adjust buttons make adjustments in the manual mode. At the bottom of the remote, you'll find the adjustment buttons. The footrest, backrest, and zero gravity buttons change your chair's position, while the heat button turns on and off the heat. Hit the power button to turn on your massage chair. When you turn on your massage chair, the main menu will be displayed. The main menu choices are Auto, Manual, Tapping Off, Airbag, Heat, Roller, and Settings. To access the automatic programs, use the arrow buttons to select Auto. Press OK to select it. The Majesty comes with 6 automatic massage programs: Recovery, Extend, Relax, Refresh, Upper Auto, and Lower Auto. Use the up or down buttons to select the automatic program of your choice. You can also access the automatic programs by pressing the Auto button on the remote. Once the chair has scanned your body, you can cycle through the automatic programs by pressing the Auto button until you see the automatic program of your choice. To create your own customized massage experience, use the manual mode. Press the menu button. Scroll down to the manual option and select Manual. You can also press the Manual button. In the manual menu, there are 4 submenus: Mode, Part, Width, and Speed. In the Mode option, you can select your desired massage type. You can choose from kneading, knocking, sync, tapping, shiatsu, and rhythm. Kneading has an additional submenu where you can select kneading up or kneading down. Rhythm mode will sync the movement of the massage roller to any audio playing through the massage chair via Bluetooth. The part option is used to control the location of the massage rollers on your back. For this example, we'll choose tapping. There are 3 options: whole, partial, and point massage. When you select a massage mode, the default option is whole. To focus on a small area, use the partial mode. Select partial when the massage rollers are in the location you want to focus on. The rollers will move up and down a few inches in that selected area. When you want to isolate just one point on your back, select the point option. Use the up-down adjust buttons to adjust the roller's locations. You can see the location of the rollers by looking at the green circle on the LED screen. You can adjust the width of the massage rollers by selecting the width option. You can choose from wide, medium, or narrow. The width option only works with the tapping, knocking, and shiatsu mode. To adjust the speed of the massage rollers, select the speed option. You can choose from 6 levels of speed. During any of the automatic massage programs, if you would like to turn the tapping off but keep the rest of the program going, you can use the tapping off function. Select tapping off. Here, you can turn the tapping on or off. The airbag massage mode can be used on its own or with your customized massage mode. The airbag menu has two sub-menus, Part and Force. Select Part to isolate the airbags to a desired body part. You can select from full, arms and shoulders, legs and feet, or back. To adjust the intensity of the airbags, select the Force menu. There are 5 levels of force to choose from. You can turn off the airbags during a massage program by selecting the Off option. For heat therapy, you can turn on and off the heat by selecting the Heat option. You can also use the Heat button. You can tell the heat is on by the heat icon. You can turn on or off or control the intensity of the foot rollers by selecting the roller option. There are 3 levels of intensity to choose from. You can also turn off the foot rollers during a massage program by selecting the Off option. In the Settings menu, you can set the length of time for each massage, the language on the display, the Bluetooth functions, and beep, which is a sound indicator for your remote. To adjust the length of time of each massage, select the Time option. You can set your massage to 10, 20, or 30 minutes. To change the display language of the remote, select the Language option. Here, you can choose your desired language choice. To connect a Bluetooth device to the chair, like a phone or tablet, use the Music Sync option, or to play music during your massage, select the Bluetooth option. To turn on and off the sound settings of your remote, you can use the Beep option. The Zero Gravity button puts the chair in a zero gravity position. Pressing the button once moves the chair into zero gravity 1, while pressing twice will move the chair into zero gravity 2. The zero gravity icon will appear on the remote. For any massage, including the automatic programs, you can adjust the position of the backrest and footrest. Unlike most massage chairs, all of our Daiwa chairs are programmed to stay in the reclined position after your massage is complete. We programmed our chairs this way because we want our customers to have the option of falling asleep after a massage. When your massage is complete, the remote will shut off. Press the power button after the remote is done resetting to make any chair adjustments. You can adjust the chair position by pressing the chair adjustment buttons to your desired position. You can also return the chair to the sitting position by pressing the power button. We hope you enjoy your Majesty massage chair for many massages to come.